Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a product review over the new Groveda Hair Solutions Aloe Rose Hydra Moist collection. Okay, there won't be any demos in this video, but if you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, I'm literally going to be having demos uploaded right after this, like, you know, a couple of days after each other, of every product. I'm using every product, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into reviewing all of these products. Oh, and I also want to say, if you hear my fan, please excuse it, it's a little warm. I need my fan on. I don't want to sweat for y'all, so yeah. So the first product that I will be reviewing for you guys is the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask. Now this isn't in the Aloe Rose collection, if I'm not mistaken, but I was sent this to, you know, try and review for you guys again. And unlike the last time when I tried this, I can definitely tell that it was a different consistency, and it was just made differently. So this is what it looks like. The last time I got it, it was actually a lighter green color. I really like the color it is. I know that's like very random, but I really do like the color. And then let me tell y'all, this is the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask. It smells like peppermint. It literally like just makes your insides tingle with joy. Like the smell of it, like I really enjoy the smell of it. Y'all, I just can't. I actually did use this twice. So the way I had used their products was I used 2 products to style one week and the other 2 to style the next week. Literally, this is, you know, a product of, you know, 1 week of styling. So looks good, don't it? And for both weeks I did deep condition with this. This left my scalp feeling very refreshed because of the peppermint feeling. Like, and you know how you always watch these videos, and when people like wash their hair or deep condition, whatever, with a product that has peppermint in it, or, you know, any type of mint, and you hear them say it gives their scalp a very tingling, cooling sensation. I never experienced that until I used this. I had my deep conditioner in, obviously I had my cap on, and then my scalp just got cool out of nowhere, and I literally enjoyed it. Like, I loved it. So I really did like this. So yeah, once again, that's how it looks. It's a very like light, as you can see it's running out, but it's not like too light. As you can see, it literally melted into my hand that quick. You can definitely tell that this isn't just made with any ingredients. This product, it has matcha green tea, bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, avocado, silk amino acid, and hemp seed oil. And it has no parabens, preservatives, minerals, petroleum sulfates, or formaldehydes. You can definitely tell, unlike store-bought deep conditioners, that this was handmade. You can tell it was just by the smell, the consistency, and the way it goes on your hair, how your hair reacts. I really did enjoy this deep conditioner. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to show y'all is the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner. Now, one thing I really did like about the packaging of both of their leave-in conditioner spray refreshers is this small detail. So you see this little hook right here? With this hook right here, when you push it, it doesn't spray. You flip it over and see that? I really did like that small detail. But yeah, this is a part clearly of the Aloe Rose collection. This has aloe vera, rose, papaya, and shea. None of these products contain minerals, parabens, harsh sulfates, paraffins. None of them are animal tested, no DEA, and no silicones. You can definitely tell that all of these products were handmade, and I really did enjoy that. This smelled like, I really don't know. Like, I can't describe the smell. You know what it might smell like? The second ingredient literally is rosemary leaf, and it might smell like rosemary. Like, I can't quite put my finger on it. As you can tell, it is a like liquid leave-in, but when you spray it, this is the creamier of the two spray leave-ins they have. As you can see, it's not even running. This is actually what I used the first week, so that's not what in my hair right now, but I did use it. Clearly I did enjoy it. As you can see, this melted into my hand and it was very softening. I was worried at first when using it, only because it was a spray and I wasn't like too sure, you know, but I really did enjoy this. Moisturized, it was my favorite of the two. I liked it. Although this is day 4 hair and I used this for a full 7 days, so I had a little bit more experience with it, but I like this. So the second of the two hair milks is the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Night Leave-In Conditioner. Now this one contains aloe vera, rose, sweet almond, and black castor oil, and it also, both of them also contains natural and organic ingredients. I forgot to mention the day leave-in conditioner. It helps you discover hydration, enhancement, and moisture, and hair growth support. So the night one, it helps you discover anti-frizz, and it conditions, detangles, and again it aids in hair growth support. It doesn't contain any of them bad ingredients. Again, you push this over and you can spray it. As you can see, this is the lighter of the two. Clearly this is the one I use for my wash day this week. I use this as my leave-in this week, and I actually really did enjoy this one. See, smells so good. It just smells so good. Like, it's literally to die for. It smells so good. I just love the smell. The consistency is very light, but I like it. It's perfect for an everyday refresh because it's light. I really did enjoy this. I love the smell. Yeah, I don't know which one of these two I like the most. Like, I don't know. I feel like I get the slightest bit more moisture with this one, but I also feel the same with this one, so I don't know. I really do like the both of these though. And once again, this is the one I use for this wash day, and I used it to slightly, you know, refresh and spritz my hair this morning, although it is the night one. And I forgot to mention, this one is ideally will be used in the daytime when you wake up to refresh your curls, and then this one is what you will use at night. So if you had to like maybe retwist some twists, you could spritz this on there, twist your twist, and it'll be moisturized the next morning. You know what I mean? All of these are ideal for wash and goes, twist outs, buns, ponytails. These can be used for all 4 of these products are good for all of those styles. Like, they're very universal products. So the next product that I would like to show y'all today is their Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle Leave-In Conditioner. So this is made with aloe vera, rose, bentonite clay, and Jamaican black castor oil. So although it does say bentonite clay, it's actually white. Can you see that? Now it is a very like light consistency, like it's running out. I don't really want it to, but you can tell. And this is how it looks. It's very light, but y'all, I was not expecting for this to be as moisturizing as it is. It literally looks like milk inside of this container. Like, it's very milky. I really like it. And it's look, you see that, and you wouldn't think it was as thick and as creamy as it is. This is what I used for my hair this week. I really did enjoy the application of this. I really did enjoy the application. The smell, it smells like the night leave-in conditioner, but it's like very soft. It's not as strong as those two, but I really like it. I really did enjoy this. I enjoyed the application, and I cannot wait to use it for like another set of mini twists. You know what I mean? Something like a protective style, because I know my hair will stay moisturized, and I know, like, I just really enjoyed the application. Like, and the application is a key factor to when you're trying a product. Like, you know, you don't want a weird application. So that was just definitely something that I noted. My hair reacted very well to this very quickly. I will have the demo up very soon, so y'all can see, you know, how it worked. But I really did enjoy this. And the very last product is the Aloe Rose Curlastic Brulee, and it says it gives you moisturized curls that last. And this one is made with aloe vera, rose, avocado, slippery elm, hibiscus, and flaxseed. So this product right here is what, when I first saw it, this is what made me decide to try the leave-in conditioner and this separately. It's very thick, as you can tell. That's what it looks like. As you can see, it's not as nearly as runny as the rest of them. The consistency, I can best describe it as a creamy custard. That's the best way I can describe the consistency of this. On my hand, this is what it looks like. See how that just melted into my hand? It was very moisturizing. I paired it with the day leave-in, and I could tell it needed a slightly thicker leave-in underneath, because this is a heavier product, but y'all, it's still moisturizing. It just needed something heavier underneath. Oh, you see that? I really did enjoy this product. This one, again, smells really good. It's, like I said, the same as the leave-in. The smell is very muted in comparison with the two hair milks, but it smelled really good. I really did enjoy the consistency, and like I just said, seeing this product in the consistency made me a little weary of pairing it with this, because I just didn't know, like, would it be too heavy for my hair. But after trying each one separately, I can definitely say I cannot wait to pair these two together. I just showed y'all the consistencies, and I can't wait to pair these two together. I just can't wait. I plan on doing a twist out very soon with both of these. I can't wait to see my results. Obviously, I'm going to record it, but you know, just to summarize everything, I give all of these products a 10 out of 10. Literally, I loved every single last one of them. It's definitely in my stash. Like, definitely. I really did enjoy these products. I really did like the size of them. I didn't mention it. Both of these are 12 fluid ounces. These are 12 fluid ounces, and these two are 8 fluid ounces. So yeah, I just really did enjoy these products. I cannot wait to again try these for a twist out. I know it's gonna come out beautiful. And as you can see, it's day 4. It's been in the bun like for a day or so. So considering that fact and just how defined my ends are, I just love it. And then also the first wash and go I did, literally, it was just beautiful. I loved these products, so I definitely recommend that you try them. So with that being said, I'm going to link Groveda Hair Solutions website, Facebook, and Instagram down below. I am going to have my discount code down below as well. It is Naturally Lori. I just have it on the screen too, but I will have it linked. I will have it down below. I will also have my unboxing video and my very first Groveda Hair Solutions review linked down below as well. All of that, all the important information that you need to know will be linked down below. So give this video a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, how you try Groveda? Did you love it? You know, just comment all that good stuff down below. Share this video with a friend. This product line is too good for you not to share it with a friend. And subscribe to my channel. We are on a road to 200. So, you know, just help your girl make that happen. I would really appreciate it. Thank you again, Groveda, for choosing me to be a brand ambassador for y'all. I'm super excited for the journey, and I really did like these products, really did. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, which should be the first demo using the Curl Elastic Brulee and Day Leave-In Conditioner. So stay tuned so you can catch that. I'm gonna have those videos up for you very soon. So bye.